The future of the business analyst role. The growing demand for data-driven decision-making. In the digital age, data is king. With the rise of big data, machine learning, and AI, businesses are relying more on data to make decisions. Thus, business analysts must deeply understand data analytics. Integration of AI and automation in business analysis. AI and automation are reshaping industries, including business analysis. As automation takes over routine tasks, it will free business analysts from dull work. They will have more time for high-value, strategic tasks. Increased focus on agile and continuous improvement. Agile methods have greatly changed the role of business analysts. This trend will continue in the future. Agile values flexibility, collaboration, and rapid iteration. It requires business analysts to be more active in cross-functional teams. Business analysts as strategic advisors. A key change to the business analyst role is a shift from tactical to strategic. BAs have traditionally focused on the operational side of business analysis. This meant gathering requirements, mapping processes, and managing projects. Specialization and cross-disciplinary expertise. As the business analyst role becomes more specialized, cross-disciplinary skills will be vital. In the future, BAs must understand business processes and technology. They must also work in specialized areas like cybersecurity, data privacy, sustainability, and customer experience. Soft skills and emotional intelligence. Technical skills will remain important. But, in the future, soft skills will be even more critical. These include communication, collaboration, and emotional intelligence. The future BA must excel at stakeholder management. They must align all parties to a common goal. They must also show empathy and emotional intelligence. It will help them build strong relationships and motivate teams. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of the business analyst role is exciting and full of opportunities. As organizations evolve, BAs will lead business transformation. They will use new technologies, methods, and insights to create value.